Hello, third graders. This week's weekly passage is called Yummy Chocolate. Do me a favor. Make sure you pause the recording. Go take a peek at your questions for the day. Then come back and read the passage either on your own or you're welcome to listen to me read the passage. By the way, I'm in my daughter Lillian's room. If you're wondering what the background is, they're home for a snow day today. So I'm working up in my daughter's room. Here we go. Yummy chocolate. Chocolate is made from the seeds of the cacao tree. It takes 400 cocoa beans to make 1 pound of chocolate. About 70% of the world's chocolate comes from the continent of Africa. The Ivory Coast in Africa is the single largest producer of chocolate. It produces 30% of the world's chocolate. Chocolate can actually be good for you. Eating dark chocolate every day reduces the risk of heart disease by 1/3. The cacao pod is shaped like a football and grows straight out of the branches of the tree. Cocoa beans are the dried and fermented seeds of the cacao tree. The seeds have a bitter or unsweet taste. Chocolate actually comes from the seeds of a fruit tree. Some of these cacao trees are over 200 years old. But these trees can only produce seeds for chocolate for about 25 years. Chocolate has an interesting history. It has been traced back to civilizations in Mesoamerica that used chocolate as far back as 1700 BC. The first chocolate treat was hot chocolate. The word chocolate comes from the Mayan word chocal, which means hot drink. Soldiers who fought during the Revolutionary War were sometimes paid in chocolate. The Cadbury Company made the first chocolate bar in 1842. Ruth Wakefield was the inventor of the chocolate chip cookie. She sold her recipe to Nestle for a lifetime supply of chocolate. Chocolate by the numbers. The melting point of chocolate is 93 degrees, so it melts on your tongue. The world's largest chocolate bar weighed 12,770 pounds. A tiny chocolate chip gives you enough energy to walk 150 feet. Montezuma, the Aztec emperor, drank 50 goblets of chocolate a day. Each cacao tree produces 2,500 beans.